Hi guys, charity shop, gold or garbage. Spotted this, cost me £1.50. I've had a quick peek at it and it probably isn't worth £1.50, but we'll have a look. I'll show you why I don't think it's £1.50 in a second. Superjoy III, just plug and play, 76 in 1. I've seen similar things about, but yeah, I thought it might be worth having, but I have taken it out of the box and had a quick look. First of all, there's no leads. We should have a audio and video, so we haven't got that. We do have instructions, which I looked at, and we do have the option of a 6-volt DC supply, which we haven't got. So I turn it over and I think, what's this about? Well, I won't know until we've actually put batteries in it and audio and video lead and plugged it into the television. But I've got a nasty feeling that you ought to have something you can plug into there. This is the battery pack, and straight away we're rusty there. In fact, that's, well, no, I got this far. Yeah, completely corroded. I suspect when I take those batteries out, the metal contacts will probably fall apart. So we'll stop there. I will get rid of these batteries. I'll see if I can clean it up, and then I'll have to go and search through my junk pile and see if I've got some audio and video leads. I think I have, but I'm not sure. And then we can plug it in and find out whether there's anything on board that will actually play it, or whether that's just the control pad and we should have a game cartridge stuck in there. That is what I'm rather expecting. So we'll find out. This is very, very temporary the way I've rigged this up. Just to see if I can get anything going. I'll now show you what I've done. Move the camera over here a bit. I didn't have the right leads. So, battery box I still haven't fixed. So I've got an external battery box here, linking into there. So I didn't have the right leads. I did have one end of banana plugs, or whatever you call them. There. But the other end was cut off. I don't know what I'd use them for. So I've just stripped them back and got them pushed straight in there. So the white wires go into the video and the red wire is going to the audio, and I need to hold that bit onto the outside. Very bodged up, but as you could see, it was working. So my initial worry about there needing to be a cartridge plugged into there was unfounded. There is obviously a chip in there with the games on it. So that'll do for the first look. It does work. I can get it working on my TV. But I need to do a bit of work. I need to get myself some proper leads. This was in my junk pile. I can only guess that at some time or other I had something on there that I wanted and cut it off. But I should think I'll probably get some in Poundland or somewhere like that. Maybe. And then we should be back in business and we can give it a proper trial. We've moved a step forwards. I've replaced these really rusty, corroded plates in the battery box with some of these that I've recovered out of other battery boxes over the years. So battery box is fine. That goes in that way round. So that's now got nice shiny plates, and that does fit in there with no trouble. What I haven't done yet is got myself a lead. I've been to Poundland today. It's Sunday, so Poundland was convenient, but they didn't have anything like it today, so I'm going to have to look in a different shop. I could do one that's quite a bit longer than that anyway, because with that I have to stand about 2 feet away from the television, and that's no good. We want one that's about 10 feet long, I would guess, so we can sit well back. All I really need is just a couple more of these connectors. So then I can rig something up. Well, I had real trouble finding a set of audio video leads. All the sort of shops I like to go in, the cheap ones, didn't stock them at all. I ended up in B&Q, which is a DIY store, and they really didn't have very much, but they did actually have this set, 3 1.5 meters long. I could have done with it being a bit longer. I don't want to sit that close to the television. And that cost me £6.30. I mean, this only cost me £1.50. That's cost me more than 4 times that. £1.50, £3. So, yeah, the leads have cost me 4 times as much as the toy. Anyway, I'll go and plug it into the television now and see if we can get it going. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.